Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anthony Tibangana. I work with Makerere University in the College of Business and Management Sciences, School of Business, Department of Marketing and Management. I'm here at United Somali Community in Kisenyi, and we are here to bring you I'm here to bring you good news. The good news is that we are going to run a training program in entrepreneurship that can enable you to run your business successfully. We will be conducting trainings in the refugee communities in the areas of Kampala, Wakiso, and Mukono. But now we want to start with the group here in Kisenyi. So therefore, we are calling all the Somalis who can speak English to come and attend this training, and this training will help you to get the skills of doing business. I'm going to bring you trainers from Makerere University because we are trying to bring the university to you, not you coming to the university. And that is one of the cardinal principles of the university, because in one way we bring also the university to the community. And now this training is bringing the university to you so that you can also learn and know what the university teaches without you coming to the university. So this is a nice opportunity for all those who can speak English, because we do not discriminate in the age or sex, but we only want people who can understand and speak English, because we'll be using English. So this opportunity is open to all of you for as long as you meet the requirement of speaking English. And therefore, I call upon all those who want to get into this training to come and register with the United Somali Community in Uganda here at Segawa building in Kisenyi. Come one, come all. Thank you very much.